Here's how to add an account to the chart of accounts in Xero, step by step. Begin by signing in to your Xero account with your usual login details. Once you are in, wait for the dashboard or main workspace to load so the top navigation is fully visible. From the menu at the top of the screen, click Accounting. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Chart of Accounts. This opens the list of accounts currently available in your Xero file, where you can review existing account categories before adding a new one. Taking a brief look here can help you avoid creating a duplicate account with a similar name or purpose. When you are on the Chart of Accounts page, move to the upper right corner and click Add Account. This opens the account setup form where you will enter the details for the new account. Start by selecting the appropriate account type. Xero will present categories such as asset, liability, equity, revenue, and expense. Choose the one that matches the purpose of the account you are creating. This matters because the account type affects how the account is grouped and reported in your records. Next, fill in the account details. If you use account codes in your bookkeeping structure, enter a code. This field is optional, so you can leave it blank if your setup does not require one. Then enter the name of the account. Make sure the name clearly identifies what the account is for, since this is how it will appear in your chart of accounts and in related transactions. If needed, add a description. This is also optional, but it can be useful for adding a short note about how the account should be used. After that, choose the tax rate that should apply to this account. Make sure the selected tax rate matches the kind of transactions that will be posted there, since this affects how tax is handled later. Continue by reviewing any additional settings shown on the form. Depending on the type of account, you may be able to enable payments or adjust other account options. If there is a setting to archive the account, use it only if that matches the purpose of what you are setting up. Take a moment to check each field before saving, especially the account type, name, and tax rate, since those details are the ones most likely to cause issues if selected incorrectly. Once everything looks correct, review the full form from top to bottom. Confirm that the account information matches the structure you want in your chart of accounts. Then click Save. Xero will add the new account to your chart of accounts, and it should now appear in the list with your other accounts. The new account is now added to your chart of accounts in Xero.